Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix GPU configuration warning in DaVinci Resolve 20. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are a couple of things you can try to resolve this issue. First, open the Windows search bar and go to Settings. Here, go to Windows Update section, then click on Check for Updates. Windows will scan your system, and if any updates are available, it will download and install them automatically. Once the update process is complete, restart your computer if required. If the warning message still appears after updating Windows, return to Homepage and open DaVinci Resolve. If that issue appears, click the Update Configuration button shown in the warning message. After that, go to the Memory and GPU section at the top of the Settings window. In this area, disable the auto option so that you can manually choose your graphics settings. Next, make sure your dedicated graphics card is selected from the available options. Also, check the GPU processing mode and ensure that OpenCL is selected instead of CUDA. Once these settings have been adjusted, click Save and allow DaVinci Resolve to relaunch. After the program starts again, check whether the warning has disappeared. In many cases, these changes are enough to fix the GPU configuration issue and allow DaVinci Resolve to run normally. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix GPU configuration warning in DaVinci Resolve 20. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.